Christian, what do you got on there?
Steelhead.
Another one?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. How many does make today for this week or weekend?
4? 5.
5? Oh, he's a nice one. He's wild as a banshee, isn't he? You're making it look really easy today. This is 9th fish we've hooked this weekend. So let's break the streak because we're 8 for what? 8 for 4. No, 4 for 8. So let's try to break our. Oh, he's not happy.
Huh?
He is not happy fish. You're about ready to give up, you said. You said, Dad, I want to go to Dairy Queen. Here, bring him in. Here. Let him slack. Oh, and he is a toad.